Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling something that's super relevant for 2025. How to withdraw Tether. That's USDT, the stablecoin everyone's talking about, from Revolut straight to your Gemini account. Whether you're looking to diversify your holdings or just move funds for better opportunities, this step-by-step guide will make it straightforward and hassle-free. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Revolut and Gemini, and that your Tether is already in your Revolut crypto wallet. Always double-check that your accounts are verified. It's a must for security in 2025's evolving crypto landscape. Step 1. Open your Revolut app and navigate to the Crypto section. Here, you'll see your Tether balance. Tap on it to select the withdraw option. Remember, Revolut might have some restrictions, so ensure you're withdrawing to a compatible wallet like Gemini's. Step 2. In Gemini, head over to your wallet and generate a deposit address specifically for Tether. This is crucial. Copy the exact address, including any network details like Tron or Ethereum, as using the wrong one could lead to lost funds. Paste this address into the Revolut withdrawal form. Step 3. Enter the amount of Tether you want to withdraw. Keep an eye on any fees. In 2025, transaction costs might vary based on network congestion, so aim for off-peak times to save. Once you're ready, review the details and hit confirm. You'll get a confirmation code. Save it. Step 4. Sit back and wait for the transfer to process. This usually takes a few minutes to an hour, depending on the blockchain. Once it's done, check your Gemini account to confirm the deposit. If you run into issues, like delays, contact support from both platforms. A quick tip. Always use two-factor authentication and keep your devices secure to protect your assets. And hey, if you're new to this, start with a small amount to test the waters. There you have it. That's how you withdraw Tether from Revolut to Gemini in 2025. It's easier than you think once you get the hang of it. If this helped, smash that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.